Hello guys, today I am so happy to show you guys my unboxing of my Apple AirPod Pro 2. I'm very lucky to buy it for only around $170 during Amazon Black Friday discount. I bought it as a Christmas gift for my wife. It would be great for her as she has an iPhone 15 Pro Max as her daily device. Her previous bud is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. It worked great on her iPhone until last month that she lost one of a pair, so I decided to look into buying her a new earbuds. And since I upgrade her phone from the OnePlus 8 Pro to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, then the AirPod Pro 2 is the best option for now. Okay, let's look around the box and we go deep inside. Okay, as always, the Earbuds Pro 2 image in the front, the Apple logo, and okay, as you see, Airpod Pro. It is the second generation with a MagSafe charging case with a USB Type C. Okay, let's peel this off. Okay. Okay. Okay, nothing else here. You can see design by Apple in California. Okay, not in China. Okay, AirPod Pro. Here is the connection guide. Okay, quick connection guide. Here is the all the paper. Okay, there's no Apple sticker as I can see. Okay, wow. Okay, here is the bud itself. Let's put it aside for a second and up. Okay. Okay, here you got a 3 extra tip for your AirPod Pro 2, the extra small, the small one, and the large one. So the medium one is the default on the AirPod Pro itself. Okay, which is nice. Okay, and the last one in the box is the cable. Okay, okay, as the cable, it very nice that it's come with a braided style. Okay, as you can see, it look nice and feel very premium. Okay, okay, as you can see, the end is USB Type C to USB Type C, and it is braided. Okay, nice AirPod. Okay, let's see the AirPod itself. Up, wow. How do we remove it? Up. Okay, here you can see the pairing button, the speaker grill, and the USB Type C. Okay, it's one LED indicator light. Okay, here's the bud. Okay, okay, it feel similar to my Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. It feel very similar, and this one with the case, this one is fully naked. Here you have a hole for the lanyard. Okay, this earbud provide you with the pro level active noise cancellation and a breakthrough in hearing health. It boasted up to 2 times more ANC with adaptive audio and transparency mode compared to the first generation AirPod Pro. It has a personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. I think it's similar to 360-degree audio on the Samsung earbuds. It has a hearing test, hearing aid, and hearing protection feature. I'm eager to test those features in the upcoming video. It has an H2 chip with upgraded voice isolation and Hey Siri interaction. For the battery life, it gives you 6 hours of listening time on a single charge with ANC, and a total of 30 hours of listening time with ANC enabled, which is nice for nowadays earbuds. It has a wireless charging with MagSafe. This one support MagSafe, the wireless one. Also, it has a USB Type C. It has a speaker for Find My with precision finding. For the resistance, I think it's rated the IP54 with dust, sweat, and water resistant. So overall, it's a premium earbuds nonetheless, especially if you can get it at a discount price. It will be worth every penny. So that's all for this video. Thank you all and goodbye.